Hey, guys, it's me, and today we're going to learn all about eagles. So let's get started. First things first, eagles are birds of prey. Now, birds of prey are also called raptors, which comes from the Latin word rapere, which means to plunder or to loot. And sure enough, when an eagle spots its prey, it swoops down and plunders it with its incredibly sharp beak and feet. But not all eagles eat only meat. Some eat fish, while others are happy with smaller birds, snakes, rodents, and other small animals. The short-toed snake eagle, for example, subsists almost entirely on snakes. And in areas where there are plenty of fish, some species of eagles will eat nothing else. Now, most eagles are large, powerful birds with long, broad wings and a relatively small head. They can be found on every continent except Antarctica, and though they're mostly solitary creatures, they do gather at times. For instance, hundreds of bald eagles may congregate at a single location to feed on the carcasses of whales that have been beached. There are more than 60 species of eagle alive today. They vary in size, color, and diet, but they all share certain characteristics. As mentioned, they have long, broad wings that allow them to soar effortlessly through the skies for hours without flapping. Their strong, pointed beaks are perfect for catching and tearing up prey. And their feet are equipped with sharp talons that can easily kill their prey or carry it back to their nest. In fact, the largest eagle alive today, the harpy eagle, has feet as big as dinner plates and talons that can exert a killing grip of over 400 pounds per square inch. Like most birds, eagles are diurnal, which means they're active during the day. This is probably because their eyes are designed to see best in bright light, and those eyes are really something else. Not only can they see much better than we humans in low light conditions, but they also see 3 times more colors than we do. Plus, they can look outwards at nearly 360 degrees around them without turning their heads, thanks to the way their eyes are positioned in their sockets. Of course, they can turn their heads almost 360 degrees as well. They just choose not to move their heads unless they need to, since doing so could expose them to danger. You see, eagles spend a lot of time looking for food. If they didn't conserve energy, they wouldn't have enough energy to survive. So they try to make the most out of every calorie they consume by minimizing movement. That's why eagles tend to stay perched on trees or telephone poles until they spot prey or until it's time to build some speed. Then they take off, tucking their heads and feet in close to their bodies to reduce wind resistance. Eagles are masters of the skies, capable of reaching speeds of up to 200 miles per hour. And speaking of building speed, eagles usually build up momentum by running across the ground. Once they've built up sufficient speed, they take off like a rocket. When they dive for their prey, they increase their speed even more, generating tremendous power in their legs and talons. With one swift strike, they can kill their prey or carry it back to their nest. Because of their incredible power, eagles have few predators of their own. Sometimes other eagles kill their young, and sometimes golden eagles kill and eat red foxes. But generally, if an eagle is big enough to defend itself, it doesn't have anything to fear. Most eagles build large nests high up in trees, although some, such as the bald eagle, prefer to build their nests atop cliffs or on man-made structures like telephone poles or buildings. These nests are bulky affairs made of sticks and lined with moss, leaves, and other soft material. Eagles often return to the same nest year after year, adding new material as needed. Bald eagles especially are known for building huge nests that can weigh several tons. Now, as mentioned earlier, there are many different types of eagles, but perhaps the most well-known is the bald eagle. Native to North America, these white-headed raptors were once endangered, thanks in part to the pesticide DDT, which had accumulated in their fatty tissues, causing their eggshells to become too thin to hatch. Fortunately, conservation efforts helped save them from extinction. And today, they number more than 7,000 pairs. Another famous eagle is the golden eagle, the largest and most widespread of the true eagles. These majestic birds can be found across the northern hemisphere, where they hunt a variety of prey, including rabbits, marmots, and even other eagles. Golden eagles are known for their incredible hunting skills, as well as their longevity. In captivity, they can live for more than 50 years, and it's not unheard of for them to live more than 30 years in the wild. Next, we have the harpy eagle, the largest eagle alive today. These eagles are found in the Americas, where they live in both dense forests and open woodlands. Harpy eagles typically prey on tree-dwelling animals, such as sloths, monkeys, and reptiles. They're also known for their intelligence and problem-solving skills. In captivity, they've been taught to perform complex tasks and have even been trained to hunt invasive species, such as feral cats and wild boars. Then there's the white-tailed eagle, the largest eagle native to Eurasia. These eagles are found in a variety of habitats, including coastal areas, large lakes, and rivers. They're opportunistic feeders, preying on a wide variety of fish, as well as other animals, such as waterfowl and mammals. White-tailed eagles are known for their longevity as well, with a maximum lifespan of 30 years in the wild and up to 50 years in captivity. Last but certainly not least is the African crowned eagle. These eagles are found in the forests of Central and Eastern Africa, where they prey mainly on monkeys, bush babies, and other small mammals. African crowned eagles are known for their striking appearance, with their golden brown plumage and their black crowns or crests on their heads. So those are just a few of the amazing eagles that live on our planet today. Each type is unique in its own way, but they all share certain characteristics that make them such fascinating creatures. From their keen eyesight to their razor-sharp talons, eagles are perfectly adapted for hunting and soaring through the skies with ease. They're truly a sight to behold. Now, of course, this isn't everything you could ever hope to learn about eagles. In fact, I've barely scratched the surface. But hopefully, this gives you a little something to work with, kind of like a springboard into further study. So go forth, my young scholar, and learn all you can about these magnificent birds. Who knows, maybe one day you'll be the one teaching others about eagles. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. And as always, thanks for watching. See ya!